Welcome, my dear children. Today's video is exclusively for project and assignment. These project and assignment marks are very important for you. So please watch the video very carefully. So here in this video, I am again reminding you the topic, the questions and all other important instructions which are related to this summer project. I hope most of you must have completed it, but if by chance somebody has not completed, please go through this video very carefully. Here I am going to discuss each and every point once again. So on the cover page of your project, you have to mention your general information like name of the student. So your name should be there, your roll number, standard and division. If there are some new admissions, those who have not got roll number, they can leave this roll number part. They can just write new admission there. And then at the end of that project, you will write project topic. That is the name of a chapter. Example, matter in our surrounding. So there you can write project topic, matter in our surrounding. So this is all about first cover page. Now come to the second page. Here there will be a question. Collect information about different states of matter other than solid, liquid and gas. Explain the state of matter you have identified in 2-3 lines. In answer, you can also draw and paste some of the images and pictures for the state of matter identified. Now on the third page, you have another question where you have to just write about LPG. So the question says, what is LPG? In which way LPG is filled in gas cylinder? Is there any expiry date in LPG gas cylinder? So there are 3 small questions. So accordingly you have to give answer here that 3 parts of the questions are there. So there should be at least 2-3 lines in each answer of this question. Means explain each part of this question in 2-3 lines. You can also draw, paste images, whatever is applicable and relevant to this question, you can utilize all that. On the 4th page of your project, there will be question number 3. So you have to write this question, that is, collect information about consumption of LPG at your home by looking at the bills. For writing the answer, you can get a LPG consumption bill of any month at your home. You can also collect information from your elders or parents on how the bills help them to identify the consumption of LPG gas for that month. Also identify any other relevant information that the bill provides you. You can also record the information collected as the answer. On next page, that is 5th page, you will write another question, that is question number 4, which says, write information about advantages and disadvantages of pipeline gas over using a cylinder. So in answer of this question, you can collect and record information about advantages of pipeline gas over cylinder. You can also collect and record information about disadvantages of pipeline gas over gas cylinder. Children, you have to write down all this information on worksheets or A4 size paper or any other type of ruled paper. Then you have to scan it and save it in PDF format. For scanning these papers, a SMS is already sent to you, or you will soon get that message regarding how to scan that pages. Accordingly, you will scan the pages and save the file in PDF format, and anytime we can ask you to submit that project, so it should be ready as soon as possible. Children, now we will discuss about science assignment. The science assignment is of 10 marks and the last date for submission of this assignment is 15th August before 8 p.m. It is very important to note down the last date of submission and the timing. The last date of submission is 15th August before 8 p.m. So children, you have to quickly start doing work on this assignment. So let me quickly just go through the slides of this assignment. So on the front page or the first page of your assignment will have some general information about you, like your name, standard, division and roll number. So like project only, here also on the front page of your assignment you will write your general information. On the second page you will start up with the questions which are given to you as assignment. So you need not to write the questions, you can directly come to the answer. So the first question which is given you as an assignment is from chapter number 2, that is matter around us pure? I will read out this text. You listen it carefully. Based on this information, there will be some questions. So let us start. The question says, there are 3 substances X, Y and Z. The substance X does not have a fixed melting point or boiling point, and it still shows the individual properties of its constituents. The substance Y is a pure substance which occurs in nature as such. The substance Y has a fixed melting point and boiling point, but it cannot be broken down into simpler substances by any chemical means. The substance Z is also a pure substance whose properties are entirely different from those of its constituents. So this is a general information about 3 substances X, Y and Z. Based on these properties which are given here, there are few questions. So the questions are, what type of substance could the X be? What type of substance could Y be? What type of substance could Z be? Which process involves taking in or release of an appreciable amount of energy, formation of substance X or formation of substance Z? Name the 3 groups in which all the substances like Y are divided on the basis of their properties. So you have to answer all these 5 questions. Now the next question is from chapter number 6, that is tissues. This question says, a nail is inserted in the trunk of a tree at a height of 1 meter from the ground level. After 3 years, where will the nail be present on that same trunk? The next question is, the root tip of a plant were cut and the plant was replanted again. What will happen to the plant and why? So you have to give the answer of these questions in 3-4 lines. The next question is from chapter number 8, that is motion. So the 4th question is, using a velocity time graph by taking time on the x-axis and velocity on the y-axis, derive the equations of motion showing number 1, velocity time relation, that is v is equals to u plus at, and position time relation, which is s is equals to ut plus half at square, by graphical method. For showing this, you can use A4 size paper, or if A4 size paper is not there, you can use assignment sheets. This assignment does not demand any usage of colors or any other decorative materials. It has to be written by using blue or black pen, and the graph should be drawn neatly by using a ruler and a pencil. Now some important instructions about this assignment. All the questions need to be solved on worksheet and rule pages for chemistry and biology, and for physics, if you have A4 size paper, use that for making your graph. Then after making that graph and writing all the answers, you have to scan all the sheets of your assignment, and that scanned sheets should be saved in PDF format. It is very important here. You have to scan all the sheets of assignment and you have to save it in PDF format. Follow all the instructions shared for submission of assignment as per SMS sent by school. And students are expected to complete this project and the assignment with their own creative and innovative ideas. And once again, I am telling you the most important thing for assignment, that is the deadline for submission of assignment. And you have to submit your assignment on 15th August by 8 p.m. The assignment should be scanned. The scanning process will be sent to you, and you have to save that scanned pages into PDF format. Then you have to send it according to the SMS which is sent to you from school site. So children, once again I will repeat all important points. That is, project should be ready now. Anytime we can ask to submit the project. And project should be scanned and it should be saved in PDF format. In the same way, assignment should also be scanned and saved in PDF format. The last day of submission of science assignment is 15th August before 8 p.m. So you will have to submit your assignment on the date which is given to you, and please don't forget about the timing. Be particular about it and take these project and assignment very sincerely, because these marks are going to be added in your final result. I hope you all will do it very nicely. Thank you and best of luck.